What is up, Mecha Nuts? Gun Plaiobot here, and today we're unboxing the SEN-TI-NEL Gurren Lagann Plaiobot. Let's rock and roll. I bought this kit back in June, pre-ordered it. It came in just a couple of days ago. If you would like to see a build of this kit, please let me know in the comment section down below. I kind of bought it as a relief kit, you know, just something to work on that's not necessarily a video. I'll do a review, obviously, but I just wanted to have a little peacetime kit, you know, a kit that I can just use and enjoy on my own terms, you know, not necessarily something for everyone. But the hordes on Twitter have spoken and they really want me to unbox and review this kit. So here we go. This here's the front of the box, and I must say it is very nice. Beautiful artwork. Love that pose. The box itself is pretty premium, which is not something I was expecting from a non-Bandai kit. The box itself is very glossy and nice and has nice thick cardboard. This is the side of the box here. It's very simple, has a nice pose on it from the anime, which gives me a little bit of a high hope for this kit, that it's very articulate. And here we have the long side of the box. Once again, lots of very nice poses from the anime. Absolutely killer. This kit is gonna be great, guys. Cannot wait to build it. Once again, if you want to see me build it, please comment down below. Now moving on. This is the bottom of the box, which is cool because normally with Gundam, you know, you get like a blank bottom, a brown or gray or white bottom. But this is a very unique bottom. This box is very nice. I love the box. I might hang this up and frame it, you know? It's very cool art. Love it. Now, opening up the box, you have this little thing here with kanji on it. I can't read that. I'm pretty sure it says Gurren Lagann, though. I could be wrong. But we're going to do a really quick opening montage here and get all these things out of their runners. So here we go. It's the super fast kit opening montage. It's gonna get you in your fucking sleep. It's gonna hit you over the head with the mallets, and you won't see it coming. Yeah! Opening montage. As you can see, there's quite a bit of crap in here for a kit that's really not much more complicated than a high grade. Really looking forward to building it. And here we have the A runner. We have two of these. The red is very nice. It doesn't show up very well on the camera, but it's super glossy. Has a very kind of candy coated color to it. Here's the emblem on the shoulder pad. Very nice. Very sharp mode they got for that. And all in all, very beautiful color. And here we have B Runner. Some more armor in that glossy red. Looks like we have the chest pieces here. We have the cod piece here. The back skirt. And that's about everything you're going to see here. I'm not sure what these pieces are, but that's the B Runner. And here we have C Runner. Some more parts for the inner frame, kind of. Not really an inner frame, but you know, just the mechanics. We have a neck piece here. And I'm not sure what this is. And we have the grill for the cockpit, which is really cool. And that's it for C Runner. And we have two D Runners here. This is more of that gunmetal style inner frame piece. I'm not sure what this goes to, but we're gonna find out. I'm fairly certain it's for the arms, but once again, not too sure. And here we have a double E runner. it has that same metallic injection that we have on the other gray runners here. It's hard to tell, but it's kind of glittery and has that sheen to it that you don't have on a normal piece of plastic. One thing I have noticed with these is there isn't a lot of those lines that you see of like those, like, you know, like the chocolate vanilla swirl ice cream glitter that they have in the Gunpla kits. It's really quality. And here is F Runner. This runner is full of hands. You have open expressive hands, you have pointing fingers for some extra dynamic poses, some fists, some holding hands. All about the hands on this runner. Very, very cool. Lots and lots of hands. If any kid has a lot of hands, I'm all about it, man. Give me as many expressive, dynamic hands as you can in a kit, and I'll love you. But there we go. All the hands you can possibly ever desire. And here we have G Runner. We have 2 of these. And I feel that this is probably almost all of the armor. So, like the shoulder, this goes on the forearm, I think. I'm not sure. I love Gurren Lagann, but I'm not overly familiar with all the details of the suit. But you have this shoulder piece here, which is really impressive. The level of detail here is quite remarkable. I wish the camera would cooperate. There we go. Very good, man. Look at that. Very nice. This kit is incredible. The mode is just mwah. Here we have 2 H runners. And it appears these are little armor and inner frame pieces for the legs. You have the foot here. And I guess some knee parts, some joints. Not entirely sure. We'll see when we build it. And here we have Eye Runner. It's in that same gunmetal. And I'm not quite sure what I'm looking at here, to be honest with you. I know that seems a little weird, but I'm guessing these are like for the waist, hips, I don't know. And here we have J Runner. This is for, I'm gonna say that's for like the torso, the waist connection. These pieces aren't ringing out to me, man. These little pieces aren't telling me much. I'm gonna say this is for the top of the head. That's for damn sure. But other than that, oh, come on, camera. No idea. Very weird. Yeah, top of the head. And here we have K Runner. This appears to be all parts of the backpack. Once again, very nice detail. It seems to be all black, not gunmetal like the other runners. And that's about it. And here we have El Runner for Lagann. And this appears to be the flight unit. Very simple, very cool. All in black. Not much else to say about it. You get 2 of these. Easy day. And here we have the Common Glasses boomerangs that he uses in the Giga Drill Break. I must say I don't quite agree with this color. It kind of looks like that root beer candy. But it'll probably look cool once it's all snapped together. It's hard to say. But very cool. You get 2 of these. And here's In Runner for Nia. And this is for, well, you should know by now where that goes. That goes right there. Right there. It's not on the box, but there it goes. It's right there. And you already know what these are. These are the gigantic drills that will pierce the heavens. You get quite a bit of these. This is the extra big one. I wish there was an absolutely absurdly big one, but, you know, it's okay. And here you have 2 much smaller ones. Well, 1 smaller one, I should say. And the small ones for the fists. And you get 4 of these for each hand. 2 for each hand. And that's about all for O&P. It's just big old drills. Gurren Lagann shit. And here we have a big old honking sticker sheet with a lot of foil stickers on it. I must say the quality of this paper and the thickness of the sheet gives me high hopes that these are really quality. They feel, honestly, they feel a lot more quality than Bandai stickers, which is saying a lot because they have pretty decent stickers most of the time. It's hit or miss. And here we have the full color manual. It is very glorious. It has the same art as the cover of the box. Very minimalist. Gotta love it. Once again, it's in full color. Love that. As you can see, there are full color photos of the kit assembled. Looks very nice. Very high quality. A decal sheet showing you where all those stickers go, and that's the big old sticker sheet. The parts list, I apologize for the bad camera angles. I'm not working with a lot of space. But there's the parts list. And assembly instructions. This is not much more complicated than your typical high grade. It's very, very simple. But my God, does it have a lot of parts. One concern I have is this kit seems to require model glue. Not necessarily a concern for me, but if you're not used to using that product, you may want to wait for my review. Because looks like it's what you're gonna need. As you can see, another really unique thing about this kit is that some of the pieces are pre-painted. Like Gurren's face here has pre-painted pieces, like his eyes here. And Lagann's head is also pre-painted, as you can see here. The crown is pre-painted, and you have an unpainted Lagann face in case you want to make a custom, which is cool. Just a nice detail they put in there. Haven't seen that before. Once again, I just want to reiterate that this is a high grade level kit with a massive part count. Absolutely crazy amounts of parts. Look at this pile of runners, man. Bananas. I love it. And that is it for the unboxing, guys. This is a very cool kit from one of my all-time favorite shows, and I'm very excited to get started on it for you guys. If you want to see the build video for this kit, please leave a comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it, because that really helps me out. I know it's been a while since I uploaded, and I want to clear the air on that. My camera broke about 2 months ago, and I had to wait for a replacement. And while I was waiting for a replacement, I decided to completely remodel my workspace. So I have an all-new desk and a all-new place to film and record, which is a lot more efficient and much more conducive to this kind of work. Because the way I had it before, I would take all of my stuff downstairs and then do the video, film it, I'd bring it all back upstairs, and I'd record the voiceover for it and edit it and do everything upstairs. And if I had to re-record something or I messed up, I had to bring everything back downstairs. And now I can do it all in one place, and it's very convenient, it's very comfortable, absolutely wonderful setup. Cannot wait to show you in an all-new video format that I'm doing next time. Next video on Gun Plaiobot, after the build, if you want it, and the review of this Gurren Lagann kit, I'm going to show you my all-new workspace, so please look out for that. But in the meantime, please subscribe, please like, please comment, because that video I mentioned just a few seconds ago is a big one. It's gonna be my most elaborate, most concise, most amazing video ever, because it dwells on a topic that a lot of people in this community, a lot of people making videos and stuff, really don't talk about. And I'm really hoping that this video can explode and get like 10,000, 20,000 views, so my channel can finally hit 1,000 subscribers. I would also like to announce that when I do hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away a perfect grade Zaku 2. So please, if you want to win that kit, please spread the word about my channel, and please be on the lookout for that video, because I'm hoping that it blows up, and I'm hoping that it's good info and everyone really enjoys it and everyone shares it, because I cannot stress how much we need this video. But that is all, Mecha Nuts. The best is yet to come. Gun Plaiobot out.
兄貴